patterns. Patterns are repeated decorative design that we can see in nature and in our daily life. The universe cannot speak or think. We the people can read the universe, scientifically and mentally. We can find answers and also describe the universe in nature. Everything in our life has mathematical things. The animals, plants, galaxies, buildings, even in our daily job activities. We see patterns in numbers and also us, humans, we are created by patterns. Patterns are all around us. We use these all the time, involuntarily and sometimes voluntarily in our daily life. In order to recognize patterns, one need is to have understanding of critical thinking and logic, and these are clearly important skills to develop. There are 5 types of patterns in nature, including symmetry, fractals, spirals, Fibonacci, and tessellations. We will enumerate the uses of these patterns and numbers in our real life. Symmetry. It can be rotated, shifted, or reflected and still end up looking like the original shape or image. The best examples are humans. If you draw a line down the middle of a typical human face, you will find that the eyes would line up as well as the ears, both halves of the nose, and the mouth. Butterflies, flowers, and leaves are also one of the examples of symmetry. Fractals. As you know, trees are examples of a fractals. It is a never-ending patterns that repeat indefinitely as the patterns is iterated on infinitely smaller scale. Spirals. Spiral patterns are usually seen in galaxy and stars. Fibonacci. It is a recursive sequence generated by adding 2 previous numbers in the sequence. The Fibonacci appears in the smaller to largest object in nature. The examples of Fibonacci are the petals of flowers and branches of trees. Tessellation. It is a repeating patterns of polygons that covers a flat surface with no gaps or overlaps. One of the examples of this pattern that you can see every day is the floor tiles. Buildings are important in our society. Without it, there's no companies, offices, factories, schools, hospitals, and etc. The turtleback shell is also an example of tessellation. Numbers plays an important role in our lives because it helps us to learn how to count, add, subtract, and measure. Also in dancing, they use numbers because they need to know and learn the beat of the song for them to make or create steps or choreo. What if there's no patterns? What if there's no numbers? What our world is gonna be without mathematics in our system?